Okay, if you've just gotten one of the new Covert Instruments Apex sets, probably trying to put together the Synapse case. So we're going to take a look at that. We've got a top piece, it's the one with this sort of tab piece of rubber coming off of it, and the bottom one, this slot piece of rubber coming off of it, and this. And these can be a bit tricky to get on there. So first off, I want to see how it's going to go together, and how it'll open. And now I know I want my tensioner piece to go in there. Oops. Right, just kind of slide that in there. And then this part is a bit of a beast. Push that over there, and that piece is in. Okay, bit of a struggle, but now it's like way in there. All right, you do want it to be kind of tough to get in, so it's tough to get out. That's the idea. Now you pick whichever pick tray you want to go in there, and we do kind of the same thing. Maybe take the picks out first. All right. And once you get kind of over the hump, so to speak, it's a matter of adjusting it. All right. Take some grip strength, take some thumb pushing and whatnot. And some adjusting. Okay. And then we want to get this into there. And you know what? I'm gonna see about poking that through with a screwdriver. All right. So there it is. Pushing this in a little bit. Easy way to get this open. There it closes. So there's getting the Synapse case on your Covert Instruments Apex pick cases.